So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to move your WordPress website to Hostinger, here's a quick way to upload your files, database, and get your site online. So firstly, log into Hostinger hPanel and open File Manager. Go to your website's public HTML folder. Now upload your WordPress website backup. Then right-click the archive and choose Extract. Make sure the WordPress files are directly inside public HTML, not inside an extra subfolder. Create a MySQL database in Hostinger. Open phpMyAdmin and import your WordPress database backup. And then update your WordPress database connection details in the configuration file with the new database name, username, and password. Finally, open your domain in a new browser and check that your WordPress website loads correctly. If you recently changed your DNS, allow time for changes to propagate. And that said, your WordPress website should now be running on Hostinger. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.